Exercise 610 is labeled a flanged yoke. What we have to do is start a brand new English-based file within Onshape, and then we have to dissect this two-dimensional or set of two-dimensional drawings to draw this part. So in Onshape, I've already created exercise 610, and I've made sure that my workspace units are set to inches. I'm going to start this particular file out by starting from the ground up, drawing this cylinder, which has an extrusion of 1/4 of an inch, and then I'm going to be using the circular pattern tool to create the holes that are in that lowest feature. So in Onshape, I will sketch, I'll go to the front, toggle to the front, go to my circle command, and draw my first circle. Looking at my tutorial, that largest circle has a diameter of 2.25. Go back to here, dimension this at 2.25. I then need to create, this is actually a construction circle indicating and telling me where I should put my northern quadrant of this circle. So I'm going to create a construction circle at a diameter of 1.75. Circle, hit construction, origin, there's my construction circle, and I dimension that at 1.75. I then can use the circle tool. I don't want to be in the construction command, and I'm going to go to this upper quadrant right here. And I'm going to draw my first small circle, and it has a diameter of 0.2. So I will dimension that at 0.2. So I've done 3 circles, one at 2.25, a construction circle at 1.75, and in the northern quadrant of this circle, I made a small circle at 0.2. From here, I can use the circular pattern tool. It is listed here with the linear pattern tool. So I will select circular. I will select my feature by left-clicking that I want to pattern. And by default, it automatically picked up my axis, my revolve axis, and it automatically puts in 3, which I could change if I needed more than that. But I don't need to change that. I like what I see. I left-click again, and it creates those circles for me. And I will use an equal constraint to ensure that this is always equal to this, which I don't believe is actually necessary. So I'm going to leave it just like that. Finish the sketch, and now I can extrude my very first piece. Going to a 3-dimensional view, it looks like that, and I need to extrude it to 0.25. There it is. Hit that green check mark, and that's my first part. To continue, I will sketch upon the surface, start a circle, and what I am doing now is creating the smaller diameter cylinder, but that cylinder goes up from here all the way up to here. So it's 2 inches minus 0.25. So I need to draw a cylinder that's 1.75 up, and that diameter is 1.25. So I'm going to create a circle with a diameter of 1.25, and I will now finish the sketch. I will extrude, and I am going to need to extrude up. Oh, I picked revolve tool, so I got to go to extrude this piece, and it's 1.75. So that'll be part 1 of this tutorial. My next step will be to create a sketch here and blast a hole all the way through this object. I'll get to that in my next video. Thanks for watching.